We're driving into the clouds.
Like Greece.
Like Grease Lightning.
Where he drives along the car and he just
Drives
makes
into the
them drive
clouds.
into the clouds.
Oh no. Oh, someone had a big crash. Oh, that's a rear ender. I had a bad day, but we're gonna have a good one. We're gonna go to Lesmerdie Falls. Check it out. There's gonna be a butterfly. There it is.
I found something better.
Got it. Oh, the lid came
I found
off.
something else.
What did you find?
That's what you go for.
What the? It's like an egg shape.
Yeah,
You're
squashed.
weird.
So when you hit it, it goes. Okay. I don't think there's anything great.
Yeah. This isn't gonna happen. Yeah. We need that pathway. Hey guys, Matt and Laura here. We are out on another geocaching adventure. Haven't uploaded for a few weeks because I haven't had any internet. Well, I did upload. I did technically upload, but I hadn't uploaded in a while, so I didn't make any videos. I have been up to a few things beforehand, like playing mini golf. Three. Bridge. Woo! Okay, we're walking through prickle bushes and this. What are you? Matt's using an umbrella. Do we have to go really low because it's like really tight at the top? Oh wow. Yeah, you gotta rip your brolly. Yeah, that's better. At least I have safety goggles on. Okay. Whoa. Found it. A GPS not working, but I found it by mistake. Yeah. Ooh. It's got a seashell. Oh, no way. It's got a path tag. Yay. Oh, no, it's not a path tag. I don't want it. It's an Aldi shopping thing. So when you go to Aldi, you get your money back for your trolley. I don't shop at Aldi. We'll leave it back for someone else. Whoop. That's so cool. Water. Now we gotta put the cache back. There you go. Whoa. So the geocache is around here somewhere. Around here. Or it's up there. Ooh, a dog. Show me the cache. Maddie found it. Ooh, yeah. Anything good in there? Ooh. Nothing. We're getting really wet. We're having a lot of fun. Okay, I'm absolutely drenched. I'm having to look funny because the water's between my legs there. Guess what, guys? That was my 900th geocache. I just realized. So cool. I'm caching in the rain. Alright, next one's up that way. And we're gonna find a waterfall. Done? Wow.
Get out on the photo.
What do you mean?
Get out on the photo.
I see it. It's flowing. Whoa. Wow. Oh, watch out. We made it. Wow, it's so loud. There's been so much rain. Alright, we're gonna make our way around without slipping over. But not break my camera. Wish me luck.
And gone. There you got a wet bum.
Wow. Everyone's getting the Instagram photos today. So is Maddie. Squish, 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 squish. Slosh, slosh, slosh. This is all the stuff the Instagrammers don't show you. But it's so nice. I do remember a long time ago Matt and I came here and I did go for a big slide all the way down. Oh, I just poked you in the eye. You looked into it. You missed that, Matt poking. Yeah, we've made it to the other side. There are other people out there taking selfies. It's so loud. This is what geocaching is all about. There is a lookout like right at the top around here somewhere. But we're gonna drive there because we're lazy. Yeah, managed to get a bit closer. There is a line now. So I can't be too long. Wow.
Alright. I'm recording you. Yeah, say hi to the camera. Yep.
So we finished playing with a waterfall, so we could let everyone else go have all their pictures. And now we have to follow our way back down the stream, which is actually a fair hike back to the car. And then we're going to drive up to the other side of the mountain and then do the other geocaches up there.
Yeah.
Waterfall is bigger than we thought. Wow. We've been walking back to the car and I've seen this, guys. Trees do have feelings, you know. It needs a band-aid. Alright. Heading up the hill. Maddie always has to drive through all the puddles. Yeah. So we've made it around to the other side of the waterfall. So we just logged another cache, a virtual cache. Not all caches are physical, and some of them literally just take you to the location for the adventure. Torture! We're on the hunt for the next cache. Literally, it starts to rain. What is it with us trying to do caches in the rain? And on the other side of Matt is the city. Yeah. So in case you hadn't worked out already, we have driven around to the top. And we're literally at the top of the mountain that we were looking at before. And the falls are somewhere down there. And we're going to go find the lookout. But also a geocache. Should be around here somewhere. 98 meters away. It just pointed out to me that we're currently walking through the clouds. You can't really tell. But I promise you we are. Because when we were down the bottom, that way somewhere, it was pretty cloudy up here. It's currently cold. Is it near here? Nope. Oh. Apparently we walked nothing. Yeah. That there is rain, and we're actually watching it getting closer and closer towards us. We're we need to find the cache. But we're too busy looking looking around. Taking photos. Where is it, Maddie? Go get it. Ooh. Lunchbox time.
That's gonna hit us bad.
Oh dear, I can feel it. One of the things that we do in geocaching is we have trackables, and this is one I've been carting around for a little while. I have no idea who he is, but obviously he's from a different country that I'm not familiar with. And we place him in the cache, and then he'll get moved on, and the person who owns the trackable can like track the distance that this little trackable has traveled all around the world. And I'm lucky because I'm placing one behind, but then I'm also picking up a new one, and I get to leave, like, move this little minion on. I have to find out where he's from. Pit stop time. Coffee. A lot quieter up this way, so we're going to follow the trail up a little bit further after our pit stop. Find possibly the last cache. Don't know. Having a cheeky little break, waiting for Maddie. And then we'll go do the last cache in this area. Up the hill somewhere. So the cache is up this little trail called Big Rock.
Toyota.
They're all big rocks. Toyota. If you don't live in Perth, you wouldn't understand that joke. Around here somewhere.
I think it says plant site.
Plants everywhere.
I know. There it is there.
Where?
In front of you, that rock leaning against it.
You reckon that one?
Yeah.
Alright, I'll go have a look.
Against it. Oh, 100%.
Nope. Nope. Oh, I see it.
Where?
It's down there. We walked past it. Underneath that rock, that big one. Toyota. Look down. What? Big rock. Toyota. Oh, what a feeling.
Toyota.
Ooh. Not much in there. Just a squish foot in a shoe. That was our last case for the day. And for the week. Yeah, well, I don't know if there's any others around here.
No, there isn't. Even in the parking lot. In the
Yeah,
parking bay.
Matt thinks he parked his car good, but then, Maddie, like, there was a curb there. You didn't feel it? Okay, there's a cache here of Zig Zag trail. Zig Zag is a road, but there is a cache just over here. And we're gonna zigzag our way down to the end. I forgot to say, remember when I said this was the end? It's not the end. Hey Maddie,
what?
This is a carnivorous plant. This plant is awesome. This is a...
Oh, those things.
Yeah, and the little red things are sticky, and then when the bugs land on them, the plant eats them. I think they're cool. Oh yeah, the purples. They're so pretty.
Oh, there.
Oh, are you talking about fire ants?
Fire starter, yeah.
Fire, oh, what? What do you do?
Get up. Flip it over.
Oh, no way.
Oh,
Oh, that's cool. Someone's dog collar's in there.
Yeah.
There you go, for your neck, Maddie. Don't go too fast.
Why not? We haven't even hit 6 yet. Gonna hit the log, yeah.
Go Oh, there's the loop-de-loop. Can you can't make it? You can't skidding already.
My car was skidding on the cat size, jeez.
That's pretty cool. And do the next loop-de-loop. We got the next loop-de-loop.
What?
You.
Yeah, bloody wide. Oh, come on, we're driving bloody forward drives, alright?
Alright, that's the end of my video, guys. Officially. Okay. Okay. We are ending that now. Hope you like. Bye.
That was the worst ending ever.
Yeah, that was the worst ending ever. Okay, officially ending up video. You guys would be like arcade videos and geocaching videos and whatever the hell I decide to make. If you like me, sub and do the YouTube things. See you next time. Bye.
And one day Laura will do a video that she doesn't laugh so much and talks properly.
One day. Don't do that.
Don't scream.
I just blew Matt's eardrums out because the Skippy jumped out in front of our car. It's alive though. We didn't hit it. It's okay. I'm sorry. I really hope you enjoyed. I had a lot of fun. Too bad if you didn't.